got a gas grill and you went to turn it on and it's like sputtering and the flame is like really low and it's not getting hot at all, and it's like, what the hell, this thing took a crap on me. It's not that, it's your regulator that went out right here. All you have to do is undo this, wait 30 seconds, and then put it back on. Sometimes this thing gets tripped because your knob is on and you go to hit the gas and it's not on. So it'll trip that and make it think something's wrong. So that's all you gotta do is unscrew it, wait 30 seconds, it'll reset itself, and then you'll be cooking just like me. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, that helps me out since I helped you out. Peace out.